In this video, we will see how to do supervised classification in SAGA GIS. We will also see how to generate confusion matrix to validate your classification. So first we will get the images. This is Landsat 8 image. I am taking all the bands. So now we will create a RGB composite first, only for visualization. So we have to select any of the three bands first, like band 3, that is green, red and NIR. So I am selecting, suppose, NIR band, and for NIR band we are using the red channel here. Just go there in the setting, and in the colors type you select RGB composite. Now we are giving this color, means the band we have selected, and to that we are giving red channel, and then for green we are using band 4, and for blue band 3. Click apply, and then double click here. You will be visualizing the RGB composite. Now we will select a small portion from this, for example. So go to geoprocessing, grid system, and clip grid interactive. Select the grid system and the grids. We are selecting all the bands. Click OK and again OK. Take this action tool, and suppose I am taking from this portion to this portion, and just click OK. So one new grid system is ready now with 1160 into 1201 pixels. So we will remove these. Now again we will select band 5, and then we are giving red to this color, and here now we have to select the grid system also, and then green we are giving 4, and blue the third band. Click apply, and then double click here. So this is my area of interest. So now we will go for supervised classification. For that we have to create one signature file first. So go to geoprocessing, shapes, construct, and create new shape files, new shape layer. So we can name it as signature, and it will be a polygon, and just click OK. Now double click it and overlay on the same image. Now right click here and go to edit and add shape. Select this action tool, and now we will be creating the signature polygon. We will start with water body. So just left click here like this. I am making polygon. Then right click once and again second time. Now if you want to complete, like if you are taking only one polygon, then you have to click on edit selection. Or if you want one more polygon for the same feature, so you can again add part. Suppose I can give signature for water body from other part of the image also. So I am clicking on add part, and I will select this also as water. So suppose this is water body. Okay. And then again right click once and second time, and now I am clicking on edit selection. It prompts for apply changes. Click on yes. Now go to attributes. You will find one feature has been created. So ID I am giving 1 for this, and I am writing it as water. So click apply. Now you have to click somewhere on the image so that this feature is not selected, or you can right click here and click on clear selection. So one For water body we have taken signatures from here and here. Now the second one, suppose this is sand. So here you just right click and click add shape. So you have to remember that earlier it was add part, now it is add shape, so that we are creating a new shape, signature or new shape, polygon. So click add shape. Now again left click and then one right click and second right click, add part. Suppose this is also sand. And then edit selection, click in apply changes, click yes. So this is a new feature, so I am giving 2 as ID and then sand and apply. Then now I am just clicking somewhere in the on the image so that this gets unselected. Now third feature is, suppose habitation. Now the third feature is habitation. So we will again right click here, add shape and draw your polygon by left clicking, and then right click 1 and right click 2 and go to add part now. So this one is also one habitation. Now I am clicking edit selection, yes, and then this is 3 and habitation. Apply. So now we are having signatures for 3 features. Again click somewhere on the image to unselect it. Now the fourth one is, these are all fallow lands. So again right click here, add shape, add part. So these 2 polygons I am selecting as a fallow land and go to click yes. So this is the fourth one and this is fallow. Click on apply. Again I am clicking somewhere to unselect it. Now the fifth one is this cropped area. So again right click here, add shape, again select add part, these areas and edit selection and giving ID as 5 and crop. Then click apply. Now the last one is forest area. So we will collect signatures for that. Just right click, add shape, again add part. We will select some from somewhere else also, like this is, these are also forest. Edit selection, click on yes, and then this is the sixth and then name is forest and apply. So this is our signature file. You can right click here and go to attribute and show. So this is our signature file. We are having 6 classes named as water, sand, habitation, fallow, crop and forest. Now we can go for supervised classification. Go to geoprocessing, imagery, classification and supervised classification for grids. Select the grid system and objects. will be taking all these bands. Click OK. Now classification it will create. Lookup table also it will create. and then training area we have to give as signature, and classify class identifier as name. We can give ID also, and then you have to see the method. So we are having these many methods: binary encoding, parallelepiped, minimum distance, Malnovich distance, maximum likelihood, spectral angle mapper, and we can take winner takes all also. So that will be a combination of all these methods. So this is it will give the maximum accuracy first. So now you can select in winner takes all. We will select all these methods and update color from features, that also you can choose, and click OK. So now you can see the classified image in new map. Click OK. So now see, we are having this classified image. We can tile them vertically. You can do it like this, get better visualization. Tile vertically. Now you can also go for synchronize map extent. Now go to settings. You have to select this classified image. Go to settings, and there you will see table. Click here. You will get the color and name. So now you can change it from here. Like color I am giving blue, forest dark green, habitation suppose this pink, sand, then fallow land suppose, and then crop area light green. Then click OK, apply. So this is our classification. Now we can get the area under each class. Select the classified image, right click here and get the histogram. So we are having maximum area under crop, then fallow, and then forest, then habitation, water, and then sand. Now we can also go for the area under each class. So just click here on the convert to table. Now this is the histogram table. Double click here and you will get under each class the area. This area is in meter square. We can convert it into hectare here itself, or you can take it to the Excel and there you can do. So how to do here in SAGA, that I will show. So you have to just right click here and get field calculator, and here we have to create a target field, that is it will be new, and that field will be named like area hectare, and then formula we have to write like this. Area is field 2, field 1 is class and field 2 is area, so F2 divided by 10,000. So this is area in hectare. Click OK. Now you will see area hectare and these numbers are in hectare. We have classified with supervised classification method and calculated the area under each class. Now we will go for accuracy assessment. So for accuracy assessment we have to create one validation set. The signature file was for training set. Now we have to get a validation set. So for that first we have to look to the lookup table. So this is the lookup table of that classification image. Double click here and you will find the ID is 1 for water, 2 for forest, 3 for habitation. So we have to create the validation file according to this nomenclature only. So just go to geoprocessing, shape, construction, and create new shape layer. So it will be similar to what we have done while creating signature file. So it will be like, suppose I am naming it validation, and it will be a polygon, and other thing will be default. Just click OK. Now we'll overlay this validation on this image. So double click on validation and select this image, click OK. Now again right click here and edit, add shape. Select this action tool, and again we are giving water, add part. Suppose we can take here also some water bodies are there, and edit selection, click yes, and go to attribute and give ID as 1, and here water, and click apply. Now the second one is forest. So again right click here, add shape, and create polygon by left click, and then again add some more part, edit selection. So this is 2 and name is forest, click apply. So we have to maintain this order. Then go to habitation. So these are some habitation, add shape, add part, so this is 3, this is water, click apply. Now the fourth one is sand. So just right click, add shape, add part, edit selection. So 4 and sand, click apply. Now the fifth one is fallow. Again right click, add shape, add part, this is fifth, name is fallow, click apply. Then the sixth one is agricultural area, that's crop area, add shape, edit selection, yes. So this is 6 and crop, apply. Now we can go for confusion matrix. So go to geoprocessing, imagery, classification, and then this one, confusion matrix, polygons and grid. So get the grid system, classification image, and use lookup table. And lookup table we will get classification, and it will be value. And then in polygon we have to select validation, and we will select ID and click OK. Now you can see the confusion matrix here. Double click here So this is the accuracy, user accuracy, producer accuracy. You can also go for this class values and then summary. So kappa is 0.96 and overall accuracy is 0.97. So this is all about supervised classification of satellite images in SAGA, and here in this video I have also added the accuracy assessment of your classification. Thank you for watching.